My design is a PC 104 based embedded architecture based on Diamond System Aries SBC and Emerald 8 plus 8 port serial module, which is also offered by Diamond System. This video is about how to install serial ports for this X8 card. The ports were not visible when checked on Debian, although the PCI was detecting this card as installed. So let's see how to fix this issue. First I will let you see how many ports there are installed, currently identified by the operating system. So these are the default ports that are identified, and as you can go through the BIOS setup, you can see that these ports are by default installed on the SBC. So we are not concerned about these ports. We have to find a solution for the additional. There are some other methods to check the ports that are available for your use, and I will be showing you some of the. So it is pretty obvious that you can go to the directories and check the installation, what the installation type is. So from here you can see that I have installed a serial port. Here you can see that the default 4 ports that we have seen in the BIOS are installed, whereas the additional ports are not visible. When we check through the command as typed above, the cart is installed and visible, but the ports are not visible. So in order to fix this issue, go to boot grub folder and edit the grub file, and at the end of this, as you can see on this here, add these command to the port, as our port is like 8 ports. 8 plus 4 is 12, but I am going for like 16. If you know there is another requirement, we can later, don't have to worry about it. We reboot the system, and so these ports are visible here, and please update grub. My current installation is a 64-bit system, but I also checked on Debian 7.11.0, which is a 32-bit system, and it is perfectly working on this with the same methodology. At the end, I would conclude that Diamond System has great product, but unfortunately their support for the drivers is not that great. It seems very easy from the video, that installation of driver, but believe me, it took me roughly 2 to 3 weeks to solve this problem. By the way, I checked the serial part using Minicom for Linux and real time on my PC, and it worked very well. So thank you very much.